Hey friend, and welcome to a brand new makeup transformation. We're going to do another spooky Halloween makeup look thanks to Gothic, who suggested this look on my YouTube channel, and also shout out to these people who left amazing comments as well. If you guys want to support this channel even further, I have a Amazon wishlist down below and I have a PO box that you could write to. We do videos every Monday and Friday, not only doing body paintings, but effects videos, beauty makeups, talk about scary, spooky things. And today's video is sponsored by Liquid IV. They rehydrate you. This is one of my absolute favorite flavors. It is lemon ginger, which energizes you as well. You just put one of these into a glass of like 8 ounces of water or so. This one turns swampy green, but it's so delicious. It really helps, especially if you live in like the South where it's hot year round, to help rehydrate and energize you. I have a discount code down in the description box below where you could save some money. But today we're going to turn into Milenna for Mortal Kombat, so let's get started with the makeup transformation. So to start off, I'm going to put my hair in a wig cap because I'm definitely going to put a wig on later. I could definitely use my own hair, but wigs are so much easier lately for me to just slap on than styling my own hair. Maybe it's just laziness, I don't know. I'm just going to prep my skin with some Skin Saver lotion and primer. The primer I'm using today is the Mint Melt by E.L.F. So, to do the outline of Milenna's face, I like her teeth to be specific. She's known to have these gigantic teeth, and we're just going to paint them on top of our mouth. She has some little fangs up here as well on the sides. Like on the outer parts, they're little ones. And it sinks in right here is where your cheekbone is where all this is going to have shadow. And then gums and lips. Now to cancel out my under eye bags, I'm just getting some corrector, peach corrector. As you can see the difference, it really does help. And I'm gonna get some concealer, spots I think I need it. And going in with some BB cream and a sponge. This sponge amazing. It's the Wet n Wild. Their new sponges for the Halloween season. It's like the Maker's Fantasy sponges. I don't know what these are called, but they're amazing. Going to go in with a brush right here just because it's so close to all the design on the mouth and on the bottom chin part too that the design isn't touching. Now I'm just going to go in some RCMA no color powder to set it so that we can also contour too. To brighten the cheekbones and under eyes, I'm going to get this yellow tone powder from my Lunatick Cosmetic Lab contour kit with a fluffy brush. Get out the dark circles. Highlight the nose a little and our cheekbone and the brow bone too. A little on the T-zone of the forehead. Getting some purple gray tones from the same contour palette. We are going to do the eye makeup. Just doing like smoky, very lightly on the outer corner. Nothing fancy. She doesn't have fancy eye makeup or lashes or anything. And on the bottom lash line as well. Coloring my eyebrows lightly with a pencil. She is, again, not fancy makeup. You don't even honestly have to do this step. I just have very sparse eyebrows. I'm just following my natural brow shape as well and extending it in the middle a little bit. It's time to curl the lashes, put on mascara and falsies before we move on to this mouth. Using some mascara. I always have to use waterproof mascara because my lashes are pin straight. They don't hold a curl unless I use waterproof mascara, and they water from allergies, so unfortunately I always gotta use waterproof mascara. I say unfortunately because I feel like it's not healthy for me to use waterproof mascara, but I feel like I have no choice. I'm gonna be putting on a more natural lash. This is dollarlashclub's eyelashes in the style Caitlyn. Like if you're doing brides that want natural lashes or you just like natural lashes yourself, definitely the Caitlyn style from Dollar Lash Club is your girl. Like look how pretty these lashes are. I love them so much. Now for the fun part, the teeth. I'm going to dip into my Mehron Aqua Paint palette. I just like using this on my face and body because it dries fast. I could layer cream paints and shadows easily on it. Starting off with the teeth shape. Like color blocking these teeth. This is going to take some time. My favorite character that I've actually done on this channel from Mortal Kombat, because I used to be obsessed with the movie as a kid growing up. I need to rewatch it again. I used to watch it at least a dozen times a year. The original Mortal Kombat movie. My favorite character was Scorpio, the yellow one. I've done that makeup on stage for Comic-Con. That makeup just and character just holds something close and true to my heart. This is why doing the outline before really helps, because it's just filling in the blank spots. Ooh, I'm loving how this is turning out. You can even do like more layers of white if you feel like you need it. Now I'm just gonna grab a color that looks like this, salmon-y, for like the lips and gum area. Get a little brush to paint that in. The perfect tone of paint for like around the mouth area, like the lips and the gums, is definitely cream blushes. This is by Pixie. It's amazing how many lip and blush creams you get. Alright, to get that digi yellow shade, I'm just going to dip into some light yellow shadow for these teeth, because they're not pure white. Going in with some black aqua paint and a very thin brush, do the line work on these teeth to outline them and fill in between the spaces of the teeth. Also, it really does help if you don't have cracked lips that are super dry like mine, because that makes it harder to paint on. I hope you guys know I also am not naked. I do have a tube top on because I want to paint some of the purple here, but don't know why I didn't think of telling you that before. I'm just going to get some of the contour shades we used on our eyeshadow here in the cheeks and on the bottom here. And with the clean brush, I'm going to blend it out on the edges. Now with the tiny fluffy brush and a matte black eyeshadow, I'm going to start blending in some shadow. Now with some red shiny lipstick, I'm just going to tap that with my finger onto the gums. With the white aqua paint, I'm going to do highlight marks. Next, I'm going to get some purple aqua paint and just paint her outfit as well. You could also like wear a purple mask or a headband. If you want to do this for Halloween, you could also get the costume or any purple dress or just purple outfit for this would help. But I'm just going to do the body painting for fun. I am just also painting on like a little black sash over here as well. Again, you don't have to do all this, you can just buy a costume. It's easier. Alright, I'm just going to get some matte purple. This is the Makeup or Murder palette. And I'm just getting a powder puff with it. And I'm getting some matte black from the same palette with my puff to mattify all the black paint, do some shading as well. Now that this is all painted on, I'm gonna get my wig. She has like a long bob situation, but with it parted right here. Now just getting some vampire's blood. I'm gonna put a little bit on her mouth area. Getting a Q-tip and putting some vampire's blood like she just ate one of her victims. Now to make this look really pop, it isn't necessary. You get some contact lenses. I got these like snake looking weird eyes that are yellow and purple from pinkyparadise.com. And just pop those in. So cool. This would be such a fun makeup look with a costume and just a bobbed wig for Halloween. Contacts or not, it looks cool. And just like that, you have turned into Milenna from Mortal Kombat. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup transformation. Thank you so much for Gothic for suggesting this makeup look. You definitely should subscribe if you want to see videos every Monday and Friday here on this channel for some more Halloween inspiration and Halloween year-round. This was just so much fun to do. I think a bold mouth, any type of big mouth with crazy teeth is just my absolute favorite to paint, my favorite type of creepy characters to recreate. And like I said, Mortal Kombat just holds a special place in my heart in my childhood. Leave a comment down below on what other makeup ideas you would love to see and I could definitely shout you out. Thank you guys so much for the inspiration. If you want more information on this purple, wonderful, super sponge makeup remover wipe that's reusable that I'm using, I'll definitely put that info down in the description box below along with everything that I'm using to apply and take off makeup in this video. Thank you to Liquid IV as well for sponsoring this video, and you could definitely check out my promo code in the description box below. Again, we have an Amazon wish list if you care to support this channel and all the creations even further, and a PO box down in the description box as well. I hope you guys subscribe, so I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you then. Bye.